स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello everyone, welcome to Maneuver. So today I'm here to share one more success story of Jui Sekhar Kadam. She also converted the GLC this year. So now she will share his experience. It means regarding the exams, how she cracked these exams, what was the strategy planning and everything. So the viewer who is watching this video, so they will get the benefit to crack the GLC if they are planning for the GLC. So that will be very helpful for them. So first of all, congratulations Jubi, finally you converted the GLC. That was your aim and finally you got the admission, right?
Thank you.
So about your educational background and from where you belong.
Hello everyone. My name is Jui Sekhar Kadam. I did my schooling from New English School, Thane, and I completed my Bachelor's of Commerce from Mulund College of Commerce.
Okay Jui, so finally you got selected in GLC, right?
Yes.
So why you choose your career as a law?
So basically the reason for choosing career as a law, because I was a CA student. So
Okay.
I was quite familiar with the laws and all. So I gradually developed interest in law. It was not pre-decided. I want to pursue career as a law.
Okay.
But since I was doing CS, I gradually developed interest in laws, and so I plan to give CET entrance exam for LLB.
So when you choose your career as a law, so how you know about the GLC and why the GLC?
So basically, I was conducting a research on CET entrance exams, the various entrance exams conducted for law, like ALET and CLAT, CET.
Right.
So I also tried to find which colleges are best for LLB.
Okay.
So I found that GLC is one of the oldest colleges in Asia and topmost colleges for pursuing law. So I decided to target GLC.
So to get a admission in the GLC, you know, and everybody know there is a one entrance exams, law CET entrance exam, which is conducted by the CET cell. So what was the paper pattern? It means there is a 4 section, as we know: the law, legal aptitude, general awareness section, English, and reasoning. So how you manage your preparation, and what was your strongest section? It means you are good in English and or legal aptitude or general awareness section. What was your strong area and what was your weak area, and what was your strategy planning for this exam? So how you started your preparation?
So while researching, I found out that there are 4 sections like English, legal aptitude, legal reasoning, and current affairs. So for it was in the month of, I think, December
Okay.
to 2019. I researched about these things, and I started preparation for current affairs from that month only. I found Maneuver on YouTube channel, so I got to know that there is an institution who conducts preparation for CET and various entrance exams. So Dev sir guided us read the Hindu newspaper
Okay.
in the morning, and then he also suggested Word Power Made Easy book for us to improve English
Vocab.
and to have a good command over vocabulary.
Right.
So current affairs, as you said, we were basically from weekdays batch from Maneuver. I basically joined Maneuver from the in the month of January. So I think couple of months I attended classes. So Azad sir told us you have to follow our Maneuver ka portal for current affairs, and for GK the Maneuver material provided by Maneuver institution, from which Azad sir gave us markings. So I used to do that for GK. And about legal aptitude, Nisha ma'am used to conduct lectures. So she was also now also I remember her for her teaching, the way she taught us. We now also remember her literally. She was very her teaching helped us a lot. She used to guide us to how to think logically when a certain case is given to you. So yeah, that helped us a lot. And speaking about reasoning, Azad sir told us how to do chota topics you have to cover.
So like traditional type of the reasoning.
Yes, and for puzzles, Dev sir, in the month of April, when online classes started, he gave us certain PDFs to practice puzzles. So that helped us a lot, and we used to start practicing from like daily puzzles and seating arrangements, directions, 2 2 3 3 puzzles we used to solve. So that helped.
The next thing is that Joey, how was the paper? It means how was the exam, English and GK and reasoning. थोड़ा सा उसका experience आप share करो. It means like reasoning का section जो था, puzzles कितने थे, traditional reasoning कैसा था, and GK के questions किस type के आते हैं, and how you tackle them, किस तरह से आपने उसको score किया.
So speaking about current affairs, I was on this. I remember my exam was on 2nd of November in the morning
Right.
section. So it will that section I feel थोड़ा tough था.
थोड़ा tough था. Morning section
Yeah,
was
morning
tough
section
because
was
I
tough.
think puzzles type of the questions काफी आए थे उस
काफी आए
first
थे.
shift में,
Yes.
because I appeared the second shift. So there is a traditional reasoning was I think 15 marks के लिए था. But आपके slot में कितने marks का था traditional reasoning?
Traditional. So my paper was flooded with puzzles only. I can say 24 marks का puzzles था.
24 marks puzzles.
Yes, yes.
That is very difficult, guys.
Yeah.
It's and pre-assumption that puzzle से questions काफी आएंगे because exams के most of the exams के natures अभी जो reasoning section से है वो puzzles based ही हो रहे हैं. So we are expecting कि that puzzles type के ही questions होंगे.
Yes.
And traditional reasoning से syllabus से question था.
3 questions of Silog and 3 questions of inequalities, and the
Okay.
rest was puzzles.
Rest was all are the puzzles.
All puzzles.
Okay.
Sitting arrangements
So,
and puzzles.
You can think how the reasoning section was difficult. Even after the paper was too difficult, but बहुत
And
सारे
the puzzles section was way time consuming.
Exactly, puzzles if you don't have the too much practice, अगर आपके पास practice नहीं है तो that is a very difficult for you to solve the puzzle type of the question. इसके लिए consistent way में आपको practice की requirement होती है कि continue आप practice करते रहो different type के puzzles के, so that will be helpful. And what about the English section?
English section was easy.
English section was
It
easy
was
for you.
yeah, it was manageable, and also देव सर ने जो डिस्कस किया था,
Right.
जो नए पैटर्न थे जो 5 ईयर को आए थे, वो क्वेश्चंस, those questions were included in our section as well, and because of practice, so we were quite familiar with it, and we could solve English section
Okay.
easily.
Right. And one more thing, Joey, जो मैनुअर के mock test थे, how it was helpful?
So maneuver mock test consist of sectional mocks as well, and as also there were full length mocks. So
Right.
if you do section wise, like topic wise test, so it is very helpful. Then you go towards full length mocks. So I think sectional mocks topic के साथ करना it was very convenient था, और हमारा base फाउंडेशन गॉट मतलब पक्का हो जाता था तभी.
Right.
और फिर full length mocks were also quite useful to us especially in a couple of months before exam.
Okay.
That helped us a lot.
It means it was related to exam pattern. जो exam pattern आपने appear किया उससे relate करके था, वो helpful रहा आपके
Yes,
लिए?
काफी questions were related to CET का question paper.
Okay, it means it was as it is as per the CT pattern the mock test
CET
was.
yes,
जो
CET
mock
pattern.
test जो mock test design किया गया था, it is similar to the CT pattern, so
Similar
that's why
to the
it's
CET pattern.
helpful for you.
Yeah.
Understand, Joey started her preparation month of Feb.
Yes.
And she is expecting कि exam June में होगा,
Yeah.
but because of the lockdown period it was extended, and then we started the online lecture के through सारे portions cover किया हमने, जिसमें puzzles and legal aptitude पे काफ़ी focus किया गया, and continue guidance के साथ students को informations provide किए गए. And here you can see so many student finally selected in a GLC this year from the Manure Education, and Jui is also one of them. So there is a one small gift for you, Jui, from our side. This is the Manure Cup, so
Thank
that
you.
will be a great memory for you. Okay.
Thank you so much.
So guys, if you want to get the success, so continue practice and right guidance के साथ right platform पे preparations करो तो definitely success मिलता है. And I want to share the message for the student who are planning for the next year. So एक छोटा सा guidance या फिर suggestion आपके end से कि they can understand and follow if they are planning for the GLC.
If you're taking GLC as on a very serious mode, so you need to practice and be consistent with your studies. Like daily, you need to do, you must do reading and current affairs. Also GK थोड़ा करना चाहिए उसके साथ. And you also need to do reading wala part, the Hindu, try to build your vocab, collect as many words as you can, and try to improve your English, which will help in both the sections. Like in legal section you also have reading, so if you are well versed with reading and consistent with reading, so you can you can't face any problem in while attempting legal section and English section as well. And talking about logical reasoning, so you need to, this is my personal suggestion to you all, please focus more on puzzles and seating arrangements and all that.
That
So
will
it
play a
will-
very important role.
yeah, you just practice five puzzles or three puzzles, but do puzzles on a daily basis, which will help you to boost your score in logical reasoning. And the rest of the sections, like थोड़ा वो जो है वो manageable है, and Azad sir guided us for that well, so it helped us in exam as well.
Okay, so finally guys, if you are planning for the GLC, so you need a firm determinations, एक aim set करना होगा, and एक consistency way में अगर practice करोगे right guidance के साथ, so definitely you can also crack the GLC. कोई बड़ा task नहीं है. Okay guys, so that's it for today, and see you very soon with a new success story. Thank you.